Grade 4, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we are gonna study Unit 3, Lesson 1, Measuring Length. The length units. So here we have kilometer, and it's a unit used to measure every long distance. Like what? Like the distance between Tonta and Cairo, distance between two cities, distance between home and school. And the next unit is meter, and it's used to measure the long distance, but like the width or the building or the tree or the height of the bus. Okay, and the next unit is decimeter, is used to measure average distance like window, stove, keyboard, computer, table. And here we have centimeter, is used to measure small distance like pencil, book, pencil case, mobile phone. And last one, millimeter, is used to measure very small distance like nail thickness and ladybug, and maybe a drop of water. Exercise, choose the correct answer. The distance between home and the school, we will choose it's a long distance, so it's kilometer. The length of Nile River is also a long distance, is kilometer. And length is very small. The ant is very small. So the answer will be super millimeters. And last one, the distance from Cairo to Alexandria is two cities here, so the answer will be kilometer. Complete the following. Here we have a table, and before we start, let's convert unit from kilometer to meter. We multiply it by 1000, and from meter to centimeter multiply it by 100, and from centimeter to millimeters times by 10. And if we start from the smallest unit to millimeter to centimeter, we divide it. So when you start convert from the bigger unit or the biggest unit, multiply. If you start convert from the smallest one, you divide it, and multiply it means put zeros, and divided it means cancelled zeros. Here let's start. We have 1 kilometer equals 1000. What about 3 kilometer equals 3000? What about 40,000 meters? That means the small unit to the biggest one. Let's divide it by 1000 and cancel the 3 zeros, so the answer will be 40 kilometers. Complete the following. Let's convert from meter to centimeters. Each 1 meter equal 100 centimeters, and if we convert from the opposite side, from centimeters to meters, we cancel the 2 zeros. So 1 meter equals 100. What about 300 centimeters equals, cancel 2 zeros, so it will be 3. And last one, 10 meters equal, put 2 zeros beside 10, it will be 1000. Now here we have a bar model, and we want to convert the unit inside the bar model or from the bar model. The first one, here we have 1 meter and 40 centimeter. We can't add two different units, so we convert the biggest one. We always convert the biggest unit. So we cancel the meter and put 1 zero, so it will be 140. Next one, 230 centimeters. I want to convert it into meters and centimeters. As we know it, that meters, from meters to centimeters, we have 2 zeros. The place of 2 zeros is 100, so we will take the number in 100 place, number 2, and write it in meter, and the rest of the number, which is 30, write it in centimeter place. Again, so here we have the from meters to centimeters, we have 2 zeros. That's mean 100 place. So we circle on the number of 100 place and put it in meter. What about the rest of the number? Write it in centimeter place. Next one, here we have 5 meter and 91 centimeters. So let's start by adding 2 zeros to 5 meters, so it will be 591. Next one, by the same way, where is 100 place? 4, so write 4 in meters, and the rest of the number 78 in centimeter place. Now let's play a game by scanning that code. Convert the following. Now let's convert. As we know, we can adding 4 meter and 18 centimeter. It's a different unit. So underline the biggest unit or circle on the biggest unit and convert. So 4 meters equals 400, and don't forget plus 18, so the answer will be 418. Next one, the biggest unit is meter, so underline meter and put 2 zeros, so it will be 1800 plus 14 equals 1814. Number 3, 8 kilometers and 14 meters. So here we have underline kilometer because it is the biggest unit, and put 3 zeros, that means 8000 plus 14, and adding ones plus ones and tens plus tens, 100 plus 100. So the number will be 8014. Last one, 27 kilometers. By the same way, we put 3 zeros, 27,000 plus 55, which is equals 27 and 55. 27,055. Now, answer each of the following. First story, when scientists studied the anthill, they found that it was 8 meters deep. How many centimeters would be there? Now, we want to convert from 8 meters to centimeters. As we know that from meters to centimeters, we have 8 zeros. So, it's pretty easy. So, 8 meters equal 800 centimeters. Next one, the colony had to move ton of soil, construct their nuts. The worker ant had to carry tons of soil kilometer to the surface. If one ant to carry 10 loads of soil in a week, how many kilometers did it travel while moving soil? And how many meters and how many centimeters? Now let's convert. Here we have each ant carried 10 loads. Okay? That's mean 1 times 10 equals 1 kilometer. We converted 10 kilometers into meters, so by adding 3 zeros equals 10,000 meters, and from meters to centimeter another 2 zeros, so here we have 10,000 and adding another 2 zeros, which is 1,000,000 centimeters. Carpenter ants can be up to 3 centimeters long. A mature colony can have up to 100,000 ants if the ant line up end to end and each ant is 1 centimeter. How many meter long would a time of 100 ant? Okay, here we have a line up and each ant is 1 centimeter. So 1 times 100,000 ant, because we have 100,000 one. That's mean 100,000 centimeter. Let's convert it into meters, and from the smallest unit to the biggest unit, we cancel 2 zeros from 100,000. That's mean 1,000 meter. Use information from the previous items. How many kilometers long would the time of 100,000 ant be? So again, 100,000 centimeters. Let's convert it to, at first, meter by cancel 2 zeros, that means 1,000 meter. And convert it to kilometer, cancelled another 3 zeros which is equal 1 kilometer. Now answer the question from that code. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.